Yo, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anora and I am back with another video, guys. On today's video I want to be showing you guys my simple everyday makeup look. I usually just use only like concealer to just conceal underneath my eyes. So guys, let me not say much. So for all those who are interested in seeing how my day-to-day makeup look always look like, obviously I do not carry eyelashes on a daily basis, okay? And you guys can see I already did my eyebrows, so you guys can figure out everything is being done. So I'll just go in now and I prime my face. And the primer I'm using it's from MAC. Shake it up a little bit and just, when I'm done with that, I'll just go in with my concealer. And the concealer your girl is using, it's from L.A.Girl. This is my favorite concealer. I'll just go in and conceal underneath my eyes because this is the most part I always have problem there, okay? So I'll go ahead and conceal it. Sorry you guys, on the mirror. And then go ahead and conceal the chin. So this is what I carry up on a daily basis, okay? I really do not carry full makeup look, like no way. The only time I can carry up makeup on my face so heavy and full loaded is when I'm doing a video of a makeup, okay? So as you guys can see, from this moment I'm good to go. I already cover up the dark circle because your girl is that who always have dark circle because I don't sleep on time. And now when I'm done with that, just use a little bit of this my MAC powder and put it on the places that I conceal. It's an easy makeup look for anybody that's in the house in the morning. When I've put a powder and set up my concealer, I'll just go in now with my contour. So I'll be using this palette. I got this contour here I'll be using. So I'll contour my nose. When I'm done with my contour, just go in now with my Audio Matte Fix, okay? I love this product so very much, so I'll just go in with this and just finish everything up. With no foundation, I'm good to go, okay? With no foundation, your girl is good to go. When I get here, at this point, I'll just go in now with put highlight. Put a little bit right here at the bridge of my nose, highlight my eyebrows, highlight my cheekbones. This is what your girl just usually does, okay? When I'm about going out, I just do this same routine and I'm good to go, okay? And it helps a lot. Like, you don't need that long hour of time to sit and do makeup look, okay? You just need 10-15 minutes, you're done with everything. You're still looking so beautiful than ever, okay? So try it out. It really works well for me. Lips, what I always use for my lip, I always just go in with lip gloss. And the lip gloss I'm using is from Huda Beauty. And I will line up my lip with this Huda Beauty black pencil, okay? So this is what you get always carry on, okay? This is just perfect for me. My skin, it's just okay. If I'm going out during the day, I always just like to carry up something like this. So that's it, guys. I think that will be all about it. That is it about the makeup. This is the look you get always carry out. That's it. And my hair, I think I just need to put it down a little bit. Oh my god, it looks so dramatic. But this makeup look, if I tell you this makeup look is without foundation, nobody will believe it. I love you also very much. I hope you love the video. And please, if you do not forget to give me the thumbs up, okay? Because your girl is crazy about thumbs up. So do not forget to give me the thumbs up and comment down below if you want to be seeing more of this. I know I've been so reluctant on makeup video. I'm sorry. I still apologize, I'm sorry. So thank you guys so very much for watching. I love you also very much. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye and peace out. Always remember to drink you some water and you mind your own business.